Hey, welcome back to Stage Alpha Garage with me, Shaker, and these pesky mosquitoes that are floating around. It's the first mow of the season today, and it's been a little bit wet. So they are quite heavy flying around here. I got the garage doors open. It's a beautiful day, so there might be some traffic noise that you hear whipping by every once in a while. Anyway, let's get to the reason why we're here. We're gonna install some ghost shadow lights. These ghost shadow lights, they're the little door lights. You put it in the bottom of your door, so when you open your door, it shines the whatever logo you want on the ground. These ones should just be the Genesis logo, the wing. Hopefully that's what it is. We'll find out. And since we're gonna have the door cards off, I figured we may as well replace the front speakers. I don't know if they've been replaced or not before. They may have been, and if they have, well, we're probably still gonna replace them. These are just Pioneers. They're from crutchfield.ca. No affiliation, but they do have a really good website on how to figure out what works for your car the best. We're gonna need some tools. We got a couple screwdrivers, some body poppers, instructions, because those always help. What else do we have? We got some speaker bezels. I don't know if we need those or not. And some speaker harness wire. So I think we'll probably just jump right into it. I'll move the camera around here and get a better angle. Okay, for either one of these jobs, we got to pull the door card off, no matter what, because I think we got to drill through the metal on the bottom of the door for the lights, and then we got to have the door card off anyway to get the wires connected for those lights, because they need a wire that when the door opens it activates, probably wired in with the door light here. So first step is this, what they call the door sail. Didn't need a tool, that came right off. Super simple. All right, next one is underneath here. Okay, this one's not in the instructions, but that's a handy tool to have, I think. Yeah, that popped that right out. And there's another one underneath the rubber mat here. And then we got 2 Phillips screws. Alright, so that should be the everything hardware wise. Now we got should be 10 clips in here. Whew, that comes off pretty easily, but there's a lot of wires and connections in here. So you got the door here. It's got a little clip on it. And that pops off, and you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different electrical connections to disconnect from the door, and then we're here. The next step is going to be to drill out the 4 rivets holding the speaker in, and then we can install the new speaker. And gas station safety glasses. We will need that drill again. Well, voila. There is the factory speaker. And we're going to be replacing that with the Pioneer TS-A652F. These are 320 watt max, 6.5 inch speaker. So we have 3 parts to the speaker. The speaker itself, this ring, and the cover. This is a 3-way speaker, so it has the extra little piece there. I don't know if it makes a difference. So we have the new mounting brackets, 82-7301. Apparently we got to mark and drill new holes for these. I think I figured it out. We'll set this on, we'll mark where these 4 holes are going to be, and then we can set the speaker in. So I had to cut out part of this bracket so we could feed the wire up, because I think I'm putting these on reverse, but it's honestly the only way they're going to go. I'm going to start with a real small drill bit. I don't even know what size this is. It's a lot smaller than the screw because I don't want it to move around at all. We're going to need the speaker harness, 72-7300. The other nice thing is you can't mess it up because the clips are 2 different sizes. There we go, a little modification. That should work out just fine. And that's the driver's side speaker. We'll go around and we'll do the same thing on the other side. But before we do that, we'll get the Ghost Shadow light installed. What do we get in this box anyway? How do we get into this box? Right there. Alright. Instructions are not needed. We got a hole saw, a 22mm hole saw. I've decided not to go through the door because I don't want to cut through the metal. But I think that'll give us enough room to put it on the door card. Well, I really hope this works out, because there is now a hole in the door card. There we go. The threads were just a little close. I think that's going to work out just fine being there. This ring goes on the back side. That's what it looks like on the inside here. We're not gonna tighten this up just yet because we gotta connect into this wire here. And I'm gonna try my soldering skills out, I think. They suck, by the way. That seemed to work out okay. We'll get her taped up and stick it in the door and see how well it works.